This is how to email your professor. Step 1. Check the syllabus. You missed turning in your assignment. It was on Canvas and now it's closed. Maybe it says on the syllabus if you can just email it to them. 90% of your questions can be answered by checking the syllabus. You shouldn't have participated in Syllabooze Week. Step 2. Check it again. You probably missed it. Step 3. Ask a classmate. You still can't find this simple information in the syllabus. Maybe your professor enjoys eating stressed college kids for breakfast. Avoid looking stupid. Ask someone who has taken the class, or even the person next to you. They probably don't know either, though. Step 4. Draft the email. Uh-oh! No one knows. Now it's time to start drafting the email. This is likely where a majority of your questions lie. How professional do you need to be? What are acceptable hours for an email? What do I say, or how do I say it? Professionalism is key. You already screwed up because you missed a deadline. However, using fancy words and correct grammar might trick them into thinking that you are. Make sure to include a greeting, introduction, body, conclusion, and a farewell when you email your professor. And email your professor as soon as you can. Try to get it done before 6 p.m. Be sure to include the assignment you forgot to turn in, so that way they are forced to look at how good it is. Step 5. Revise. So it's best to have at least 5 of your closest peers proofread this email to make sure everything is correct. Replace every word you can with a synonym that sounds fancier. Also, replace who with whom every time. Step 6. Send it! After blood, sweat, and tears, you may now send the email. Step 7. Wait. Now it's time to wait. This is oftentimes the most stressful part of emailing your professor. Just gotta wait. And wait. And wait. Step 8. Bask in professor's admiration of you. Your professor finally replied. Let's see how much they compliment your professionalism and sincere sorrow for being irresponsible.